get a little more challenging. Today we are going to solve equations with variables on both sides. We'll start off easy and get a little more challenging as we go. All right, now, Mr. Murphree, that will be the last time I write out all those words. From here on out, I will abbreviate it as VOBS. It stands for variables on both sides. Are you with me? I'm too lazy to write out all those words. Do you blame me? All right, let's start easy. 2x plus 5 equals 3x minus 15. Okay. Do you notice that there is an x on the left? Up. And another x on the right. Okay, step 1. Combine like terms if you can. Now, combining like terms is what we did on the warm-up. Are you with it? Like if I've got 3x and 7x on the same side, we can combine them to 10x's. Are you with me? So, can I combine either one of these? No. Can I combine either one of these? Mm-hmm. Nope. So, step 1 is not applicable in this problem. Let's go to step 2. Now, this is my advice. This is not a rule that I'm about to tell you. Move the smaller variable. The smaller x. So let's look at this problem. Which x is smaller? 3x or 2x?
2x.
So Mr. Murphree would move this one over there. I'll tell you why in a minute, because you should be going, why? 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 Okay. So here's how you move it. You move it by subtracting or adding. Isn't it currently positive 2x? So how do I move it? Subtract 2x. There we go. And I'm only going to put it under x because x's need to stay with x's, numbers with numbers. All right. So look what happens. What's 2x minus 2x? Gone. 0. Like an old girlfriend. Gone. What's 3x minus 2x? 1x. And bring down the minus 15. Now, we've got a real easy equation to solve. What number do I need to get rid of to get x all by itself? 15. How do I get rid of minus 15? You need to add 15. And once we add the 15, the x is all by itself. What number does x need to equal? 20. Questions on number 1. All right. Now, let's talk about this for a minute. Well, we'll put step 3, solve. Solve means get x by itself. What would have happened if I didn't listen to Mr. Murphy's advice and moved the bigger one? Let's see. Let's say that you decided to subtract the bigger one. What's 2x minus 3x? If you move the bigger one, you are always going to have a negative in your problem. Are you with me? And I have found that when you don't have negatives in your problems, you get them correct a lot more. Are you with me? If we look at that homework we just graded, I bet you a lot of you messed it up because you had a negative when you should have had a negative. Are you with me? So you can still get it correct if you move the bigger one, but you're going to have to deal with a negative every stupid problem. Are you with me? If you move the smaller one, your x will always be positive. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, not your answer, but your x will always be positive. Let's look at another one. Here is where drawing the line becomes very important, because you need to see what's on the left side, you need to see what's on the right side. All right, step one. Is there anything that we can combine? Crosby.
8x minus 4x.
Good. Do y'all notice that 8x and 4x are on the same side? So we're going to do what we did on the warm-up. What is 8x minus 4x? It is 4x. Do y'all agree?
Yes.
Have we done anything with the 10 yet?
No.
Bring it down. Rewrite. Is there anything to combine over here?
No, sir.
Nope. We'll just rewrite that. Now we're on to step 2. Ooh. Let's move the smaller x over to the other side. Which x is smaller?
4x.
So let's move it. How do I move it?
Subtract.
Subtract it.
2x.
So this is gone. We got 10 over here. What's 6x minus 4x? 2x. Have we done anything with the 12? Bring it down. Rewrite it. Now we've got a 2-step equation just like we had yesterday. Yolette, what would you get rid of first?
12.
Me too. How?
Subtract.
Good, Yolette. What's 10 minus 12? Negative 2. Be careful there. And now we got 2x. And Angel, what would you get rid of next? No, we don't never get rid of the x. No.
Oh.
What is over here with my x? What number is with the x? 2. You need to get rid of that 2. Yeah, divide by 2. And once we divide by 2, tell me what number x must equal. What? I disagree.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So in this problem, x would equal negative 1. Questions? Let's do one more. Let's go negative 3x. Let me do quick math. That'll work. Let's draw the line. All right, Jake, can I combine anything over here? Good. Can I combine anything over here?
Yes.
What can we combine, Jake?
The variables.
So what's 5x plus another 5x?
10x.
Did we do anything with the 9? Rewrite. Any questions so far? All right. Alex, which variable is smaller, 10 or negative 3?
Negative 3.
Okay, let's move it. How do we move it?
Plus 3.
Plus 3x, I agree. Add 3x. So we got 4 over here. What's 10x plus 3x?
13x.
And bring down the plus 9. Ooh, I messed this up. Oh well. I was making it up in my head. Can I change one thing? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Let's change this to a minus 4, and everything will be fine. Y'all mind? All right. Let's go with Jinx. What number would you get rid of first? No. Hang on. Why are you looking over here? What side is X on? Then don't look over here. This is like an ugly girl. Look at the pretty girls over here. Okay, X is over here. Are you with me? So what number over here would you get rid of first? There we go. How would you get rid of plus 9? What? Minus 9. Minus 9. What in the heck is negative 4 minus 9?
Negative 13.
Negative 13. And we got 13x over here. Are y'all with it? All right, what would you get rid of next? Let's go with Porter.
I'll get rid of 13x. So
No, we're not getting rid of the x.
Alright.
Don't ever tell me to get rid of the x. It's either a number or that's it. What number are you getting rid of?
13.
13. How are you getting rid of that 13?
Dividing.
There we go. We're getting rid of the 13, not the x. The x stays right there. What's negative 13 divided by 13?
Negative 1.
Negative 1 again. Okay. Questions? So, those are the type problems we're going to have to work today. All right.